Hello, children. Today we're going to make a clay pot. First, you need clay. Then you need a toothbrush, a plastic knife, water, a wooden board, your hands. Let's look at some pots. Cool. Awesome. Looks great. Love it. Wonderful. Student work. Let's get started. I'm going to take a piece of clay and I'm going to roll it into a sphere. Sphere. Going to take that sphere and smash it into a disc. I'm going to pinch from the center to make a flat disc until it's about as thick as my finger. Now I'm going to take another piece of clay and roll a sphere. This is going to be my coil. I'm going to roll it into a snake or coil. Too big. Got to make it smaller. Size of my finger, perfect. Attaching the coil to the base. Here we go. Toothbrush with water. We're going to scratch with the toothbrush on the clay where the two pieces are going to come together. So around the base and on the bottom of the coil. We're going to join the pieces, matching up the areas that were scratched with the toothbrush. Place them on top of each other. Now they're attached. We're going to keep building up. Here we go, super speed, build it up. Using the toothbrush, adding the second coil. There's a gap. I'm going to take a piece of this coil, scratch it all up, scratch the base up, stick it on, work it together. Now there's no gap. Let's keep building. Closing the ends, using the toothbrush, working it together. Now, my pot is assembled. If you want yours to be taller, just keep adding coils. Once you've added all the coils that you need to add, we're going to smooth the pot. The hand goes inside for support. Plastic knife and a little bit of water, scraping up from the bottom. Look how smooth it gets. We're going to scrape and smooth all the way around our pot. We waited to smooth until we had all our coils on. Nice smooth pot. All right. I think it's time to decorate. I'm going to take pieces of clay, working with spheres in different shapes, adding them to my pot. I've added pieces. Now I'm going to use this knife to add details to the surface. And there we go, done. Super cute face pot, thank you. Goodbye, children.